Hi, my name's Nicole, and I'm so excited to introduce you to the Odell Group's newest listing at 12345 Singingwood Drive in North Tustin. With nearly 5,300 square foot of living space, this tranquil home sits at the end of a cul-de-sac and enjoys stunning views of the Saddleback Valley. Upon entering the property, you will feel the stress of the day melt away as though you've discovered a sanctuary. This home is perfect for multi-generational living with the master and one-bedroom ensuite upstairs and a self-contained bonus room, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a bar area downstairs. And if you're looking for a home with an incredible backyard, complete with a pool, multiple entertaining spaces, and a one-of-a-kind skyloft, you are going to love this complete, entertaining experience. You're going to love this home at 12345 Singingwood Drive in North Tustin.